Welcome to the Big Promo Cast with Amber and Rich. In this podcast, Amber and Rich discuss the world of marketing, branding, and promotional products. Now, here's Amber and Rich.
I was going to say, I just turned that down a little bit because it's kind of loud. But anyway,
Yeah.
how you doing?
I'm doing pretty well.
This is a special Wednesday edition of the Big Promo Cast, episode 27. My co-host Amber is across the other end of the table. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Good. Big weekend for you coming up.
Yes, I'm excited.
Driving through the hurricane.
We're not going to be anywhere near it.
Let's hope.
I looked at the path and all that. So,
all right. Good.
yeah, we'll probably get rain.
Take an umbrella. Yeah.
Yeah.
Should be fine.
I have a Big Promotions umbrella in my purse.
Oh, perfect.
So I'm not worried about it.
That's awesome. We always got your back. We always got you covered. Sorry, that's what that meant. What do you have to talk about? Since it's only been a few days since we talked about stuff last time.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't have anything. Except trying to get this video live thing going. I am going to announce that we are going to go live on September 5th at 1 o'clock Eastern.
Yes.
I'm sorry, 2 o'clock Eastern? 1 o'clock Central.
Okay.
I should nail that down.
So, yeah, that would be 2 Eastern.
Yeah, 1 o'clock Central.
Okay.
So, 1 to 1:30.
Yay, I'm excited.
Make a date, a week from Saturday. So, and providing all this stuff works, we'll be fine.
Yes. So, did you know that today is National Dog Day?
You know what else it is? It's National Women's Empowerment Day or something like that.
Yes.
And I thought, what a weird thing that both of those are the same day. I said, that is very unsightly. It shouldn't be that way.
It shouldn't, but that's okay.
So you a dog fan?
Not really.
So why'd you bring it up?
Well, I was thinking about the fact that these obscure national holidays can actually be really good for marketing.
Oh, of course they are. Yeah. Like National Corny Dog Day and National Ice Cream Day and all that fun stuff.
Because you can learn a lot about your target market. Like if people are responding to it and everything like that, then you know that your target market likes corn dogs, or they like dogs, or they're all for women equality, or
Sure.
whatever.
Yeah.
You can also use it to obtain engagement.
True. Yeah. Post a picture of your dog.
Exactly.
I've seen probably 20 of those already today.
Me too. Dogs are cute.
I keep putting pictures of my cat up just to spite him.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Anyway.
But you can also use it for like charity work. So a lot of people, they enjoy seeing that companies are doing something in the world, being humanitarians or whatever. So today, maybe a company decides to donate to or volunteer at a dog shelter or animal shelter, whatever.
Yeah.
So you can use it all kinds of ways.
Good call. All right. I agree that you can use it for all kinds of things.
It's funny you brought up the women empowerment or women equality or whatever.
I just happened
today.
to notice that it was the same exact. I saw two posts right after the other. One was, here's a picture of my dog, and it's National Women's Empowerment Day.
I got into an argument, was it yesterday? About someone saying that he believed that giving women the right to vote was a mistake.
Wow.
Yeah.
And after he got up, what'd he do?
No, it was online.
Oh, no.
And I was so pissed about it. And I can't believe that people still think that way.
People still think a lot of ways.
Yeah.
It's sad. It's unfortunate, too.
Blows my mind.
Yeah, but obviously it wasn't a friend of yours, or was it?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's just unreal. But I haven't lost, but I have turned off a couple of people that I really liked because of their crazy antics online. And I'm sure the same people have done that to me, so.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Like, I'm sure that people don't like libertarian stuff that I post or whatever. Whatever.
Yeah, right. But women's inequality, you can't be for that. That's no good. I mean, there's some things you got to draw the line.
Yeah.
You can't be a bigot. You can't promote violence.
Yep.
You can't promote whatever. And so
Yeah.
those kind of people have no chance in my life. But anyway,
Same.
yeah, good call. What else you got?
Have you heard the newest thing about KFC? It is not a promotional product that they're doing.
Yes, I have, but I will not spoil it. Go ahead and tell it.
So KFC has suspended their slogan of finger licking good.
Yes, they did. You know, that started in March. They had a whole ad campaign in Europe, TV ads, and people actually licking their fingers, and they cut that out right away when the COVID stuff started. And then I guess this is just a national or worldwide thing. They're turning it off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. They actually did an ad to where on their, I guess it's a bucket that it says finger licking good. They show the bucket and they show that they've blurred it out.
Does it look pixelated? Like,
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
Like a porn thing? I swear. Anybody trying to milk something, I mean, I guess that's a good thing, but they're also, I think they're kind of capitalizing.
You think so?
Well, I don't know. Maybe they're not. I mean, they could have just turned it off without making a big thing about it.
Yeah.
And
That's true.
But it's much better to make a big thing about it.
But this is also, my understanding is this is their first statement regarding COVID. Like everybody has been all about.
Well, all these thoughtless statements about how we're all in this together and all this kind of crap. Every company says that.
Yeah.
And we've got all this sanitarian, and our people are the most important. And blah, 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 blah. I mean, that gets old fast, and it's just an echo chamber. So
Yeah, that's true.
I don't have a problem with the company not doing that, which is fine. So if this is a COVID-related press release, that's fine. I mean, I don't have a problem with that.
Yeah.
I like KFC. I'd eat there every day if I could, but I'd be big and fat, so I won't. It's good, though. Yeah, I don't have anything to add to that, except I wish I had some of those Crocs.
Oh, my God. Did you know? Okay, so this one is another one of their promotional items. I didn't hear about this one. They did nail polish.
Well, you told me about lipstick last week.
Yeah,
or the
well,
week before.
they did edible nail polish.
Well, see, that's not COVID friendly either.
Yeah, well, they pulled that quick. And there was this some expert released that you shouldn't eat nail polish and
Well, you shouldn't be biting your nails, first of all.
Yeah.
So
That's why my 8-year-old is not allowed to wear nail polish because she bites her nails.
So because nail polish is toxic, or because it ruins the nails?
Because nail polish is toxic.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't have that problem. I don't have kids, so I don't know. I don't understand, but that's cool.
And I don't bite my nails, so I don't know where she picked that up from.
Oh, I'll bet the shit out of my nails. God damn, it's horrible. Well, there you go. KFC.
Yes.
Taking one for the team.
Let's see.
I'm going to click over here and see if we're still recording, and we are. And we're still recording. All right, cool.
Facebook.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Man, you got a lot of stuff to talk about. I see that sheet. Golly.
Well, this is my last thing.
Oh.
Facebook set up paid online events that businesses can use. So basically, it's like you can do a webinar or something like that through Facebook.
It's like having Eventbrite and Zoom tied together.
Yeah, exactly.
Interesting. That's a very interesting thing.
And because of all this COVID stuff and everything, they're doing it free of charge for a year.
Huh.
So like these businesses can
so
do
hang on.
all
So
this.
So you have an event and you charge admission for it, and Facebook obviously gets a cut. That's how they're going to make money at it. But for a year, they won't be charging you. They won't be taking a cut.
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, I guess they got to give it away for free, like heroin. Like a drug dealer. Give it away for free until people love it, and then they say, oh, we got to have it.
Wow.
That's what they do. It's like everything. You
Yeah.
give it away for free. You get the cheapest one for free. Like this Ecamm Live software we're using. We're using the free version, but if we want to do anything with it, we got to pay. But that's just,
That's what I did with Canva.
Same kind of thing, yeah.
Yeah, I used the free version until I fell in love with it.
Yeah. We canceled that, though, right?
Yeah.
You use Spark? Yeah.
Yeah.
But, that's not a bad way to do it. I think it's interesting to do it on Facebook, though, because we tried that Facebook Workplace thing. Our company did. And it was miserable. And you can't get rid of it. Or it was hard to get rid of. I wasn't a fan of it, but...
Oh, I wasn't either.
And I'm not necessarily a fan of Facebook groups and all that stuff either. I mean, I guess it's okay, but... I don't like Facebook Live. I don't like watching stuff on Facebook Live. That's just me.
I think it can be used well. Like, if you know how to do it, and if you're in a certain niche industry and all this other stuff, certain things can be used pretty well. My friend Eric Hansen that does the painting, he does Facebook Live and he paints.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
I think that's really awesome. And he goes to places to paint as well. So I think it could be utilized really well.
Yeah. But that's just, if I just do an online video, there's a dozen, well, I guess that's where your audience is. If your audience is on Facebook, that's where you have to be.
Exactly.
But if your audience is on YouTube or Instagram, that's where you have to be. Speaking of live, are you a live fan, like a live video fan online?
No.
Have you ever seen, okay, well, I've got a beef with people that do Instagram live.
Okay.
Because it sucks. It's the worst. Instagram's only tall. It's not horizontal. And if there's two people, there's a guy on the top and a guy on the bottom, and you can't turn the chat off. So you see comments scrolling by, and they're always scrolling by the guy on the bottom. And it's horrific looking. And and they're always distracted by they're distracted because they're trying to read the comments and keep up.
Yeah.
But there's a 30-second lag. Crap, and I'm getting... What happened?
Okay.
Phone was ringing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that too. I declined it on my watch. But is it still ringing up? Was it on the iPad or on your phone?
No, it was on your phone.
Oh, you heard in the office?
No, I could see it.
Oh, right. I'm sorry. You're looking at that. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. That's cool. All right, no problem. Yeah, it was a crank call. Wow, that was fun. Uh-oh. Now, my computer is about to run out of battery, and that phone up there is probably going to run out of battery. So, well, phooey. Anyway, I'm not a fan of Instagram Live, and I'm not a fan of Facebook Live's okay. YouTube Live I like better because I actually pay for YouTube Premium, and you can play it in the background. So if you play an audio, like an hour-long show, you can put it on while you're driving down the street. You don't have to watch it; you just listen to it. But you can put it in the background, so you don't have to. You don't have to stare at it.
Yeah.
So I like YouTube Live. What else you got?
That's it. That's
all you got?
Yeah.
Well, hurrah. I wish I had more to bring to the party, but this is really just a test to see if this is going to work. I guess the answer is I need to charge up this laptop before I do this because I've gone through 80% of battery in about however long it's been because I got so much stuff plugged into it.
Yeah.
And that make sure all my phones are charged up. So that's it. Well, thanks, Amber. Have a good weekend on your little mini vacation. I hope everything goes your way.
Yeah, thanks.
Hope you guys stay high and dry. And I guess we'll see you in a week from Saturday at 1 o'clock Central.
All right.
All right, cool. Bye, Amber.
Bye.
See you later.